So everyone's talking about AI, right? And maybe you've gotten pretty good with some of the tools. But let's be real, there's a massive difference between using AI and actually making money with it. That gap, that's what we're closing today. I'm going to give you a clear, step-by-step roadmap, and we'll use the TIXU platform as our guide. So let's get into it.
And this is the big question, isn't it? You've got the tools, you've got the skills, but how do you actually turn that into cash? The road to getting paid can feel, well, a little foggy. So this explainer is all about bringing the clarity. We're going to break down 3 real, actionable ways you can turn what you know about AI into actual income.
Okay, first things first, and this is super important. A platform like TIXU, it's not a job board. It's not just going to hand you money. You've got to think of it more like your personal toolkit, your training ground. Its whole purpose is to teach you how to make money with your skills, giving you the playbook and the pro tools you need to go out and crush it on your own.
All right, let's jump into our first method. This is the most direct route to earning cash. We're talking about selling your AI skills as a high-value service, directly to clients who are looking for what you can do right now.
So the process here is basically the classic freelance model, but we're supercharging it with AI. It's simple, really. First, you get really good at a specific skill. Then, you package that up as a service. Next, you build a killer portfolio to show people you're the real deal. And finally, you price yourself smart. I mean, start a little lower to get those first few reviews in, and then boom, you raise your rates once you've got that social proof.
Now this is where it gets interesting. Look at this. This is the difference between an amateur and a pro. The standard way? Offering just, general writing. But the pro tip? You specialize in something high value, like legal summaries. Amateurs use the free AI tools. Pros? They showcase results from the premium tools to get better results and charge more. And here's the biggest shift of all. You're not just a writer. You position yourself as an AI efficiency expert.
And that right there, that's the absolute key to charging premium rates. A client isn't just paying you for some words on a page. No way. They're paying you to save them time. They're paying you to save them money on all those tool subscriptions. And they're paying you for a better result way faster. That value? Oh, it's worth so much more than your standard freelance writer rate.
Okay, so freelancing is fantastic. It's a great way to make active income. You're literally selling your time. But what if you could build something once and sell it again and again and again? That's the mindset shift we're talking about, moving from selling your time to selling your assets. Let's explore how that works. And that brings us to method 2, the creator route. This strategy is all about using those AI skills you have to build digital products. We're talking about assets that can literally make you money while you sleep. Yeah, that whole passive income thing.
The game plan here is actually pretty simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Step 1, find a specific need in a niche and create a digital product to solve it. Think like a bundle of killer AI prompts for a certain industry. Step 2, use an easy, affordable platform like Gumroad to sell it. And step 3, you use stuff like TikTok or YouTube Shorts to show off what your product can do and get a ton of free traffic.
And just like before, the pro approach makes all the difference. Look, don't just sell one AI-generated image. No, sell the whole system. Sell the prompts, the guide, the template, the whole shebang that lets someone else create their own amazing images. And when you're starting out, price it low. Get those first crucial reviews. And please, always focus on solving a real, painful problem for a very specific group of people.
This is the perfect example of what I'm talking about. AI art? That's vague. Nobody knows what that means for their business. But viral Instagram post images for real estate agents, now that is a solution. Any real estate agent on the planet immediately gets it. They see the value and understand how it helps them make more money. See? Specificity is what sells.
All right, on to our third method. This one is all about leveraging the very tools you're already getting great at. Instead of just using the software, you can actually earn commissions for telling other people about it. Welcome to the promoter route.
The whole strategy here is about building authority. It works like this. You pick some really high-quality AI tools that have good affiliate programs. Then, you make content that's not just about the tool, but about how to earn money using the tool. And finally, and this is key, you build an audience by offering something for free, a lead magnet to get them on your email list. That list becomes your most valuable asset over time.
Okay, here's a pro tip you absolutely cannot ignore. You have to check the cookie duration. See this? 90 days? That's fantastic. It means if somebody clicks your affiliate link today but doesn't actually buy for another, say, 2 months, you still get paid. It's these little details, understanding stuff like this, that really separates the successful affiliates from everyone else.
So, If there's one key takeaway here, it's this. Don't just be a link spammer. Nobody likes that. Be a teacher. Create content that genuinely helps people solve their problems. Build an audience that trusts you using that email list we talked about. And always, always be upfront about your affiliate links. It builds trust.
Seriously, just let that sink in for a second. Trust is everything in this game. When your audience truly believes you're recommending tools because you actually think they're valuable, they're so much more likely to buy. Being transparent isn't some annoying legal thing you have to do. It's literally your most powerful sales tool.
So we've walked through 3 really powerful methods. But you know what? None of them mean a thing without one final, absolutely critical piece of the puzzle. All this knowledge, all these tools, that's just the starting line.
And I absolutely love this analogy. A platform like TIXU, it can give you the map, a perfect roadmap showing you every single turn. But it can't get in the driver's seat for you. You are the one who has to turn the key. You have to hit the gas. You have to actually drive the car and make the journey happen.
Let's think about it like this. Any money you spend on learning something, right now it's just an expense. It only turns into an investment when you take action and actually use those skills to make money. Your goal from day one should be to turn that expense into a profit-making machine as fast as you possibly can. So I'm going to leave you with this one question. Don't just sit there thinking about what you've learned today. I want you to think about what you're going to do. Pick one of these routes, freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, and start mapping out your first steps. What is your concrete, actual plan to earn your very first dollar in the next 30 days? Because that, right there, that's where the real learning starts.